Hi guys, today we are going to talk about perfect squares. The kid's a square, Benny. Just kidding, that's from a movie. A perfect square is a math term. Now, we all know what a square is. You've probably been doing squares since like kindergarten or something. Here's a square. Now, the thing about a square is that the sides are all the same. So I'm just gonna pick a number. Let's just say 3. Okay, so if this side is 3, then that means that these sides are also 3. Okay, a perfect square is a number that is multiplied by itself. So if I did 3 times 3, 3 times 3, what is 3 times 3? 9. That would be a perfect square. Now, why would it be a perfect square? Because if I did 3 by 3 as an array, it would go 1, 2, 3 by 3. What shape is that? It's a square. So they're called perfect squares. Another way you can write it is like this. It is called 3 squared. There'll be a little tiny 2 up there. It doesn't mean 3 times 2, it means 3 times itself. It means you have 3 twice. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, those are perfect squares. Sometimes, I think you'll learn this more in 5th grade, you'll have a number and it will be the square root. That means what number times what number equals 9. And you'll go, oh, I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. Okay? That's a little bit ahead of what you're doing. Right now we're just going to be doing perfect squares. So for example, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times, if I have a 4 here and I want to make it a perfect square, that means I also need to have a 4 here. 4 times 4 is 16. Now it's not 4 times 2, it's 4 times 4. It's the number times itself. Let's just look at another example. I have 4 across. I have 4 down. What shape do you think this is going to make? A square, because they are perfect squares. Okay? Any number times itself is called squared. So if I have 4, and I have a little 2 up here, that is 4 squared. 4 squared, like the game. 4 squared would be 4 times 4, which is 16. Square root of 16 would be going the opposite direction. Blank times blank equals 16. Oh yeah, I know that it's 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So any number times itself makes a perfect square. You can go up until infinity. We just practiced a few, and you'll practice a few more later today.